Filipiniana Fashion Show. Ladies and gentlemen, our candidates.
Representing the Region 4A, Calabarzon region, the region of innovation, strength, vitality, and culture, and future path of smart cities.
I'm Julius Oliver B. Nareto, MPDC of Victoria Laguna, the top capital of the South, Region 4A, Calabarzon.
As the fastest growing region for 2 consecutive years with 610 billion worth of gross regional domestic product in 2024, this is Dr. Franklin Garatacanan-Isi, representing the majestic Mayon Volcano and beaches of Calamoran, Pico Pico!
Saan yun? Manabdo?
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am Cyril Dick Corriente Catedral. I am wearing this crafted modern barong from my municipality made by women and LGBT. I am representing the Region 6, the Beyond Building Back of Iloilo City, living and saying, I dress not to impress, but to express. And I thank
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Lee Yabumba, MPDC of Pinibagdao, Samar, representing Region 8.
Good evening, everyone. I am Christian Jill Dominici Portosa from the land of beauty and bounty, Lanao del Norte, Region Northern Mindanao. And I am proud to be wearing a textile that represents that Mariams and Christians live harmoniously in Northern Mindanao. And I firmly believe that we, the planners, are the backbone of our country. Mabuhay ang mga planners!
Thank you.
Rizal Jane Dumawi Chilin, representing South Sudan.
At pagpakita mo yung silikon-likon.
Maraming gabi sa inyong tanan. Shall I say, good evening everyone, our esteemed judges, fellow contestants, and our honored guests. My name is Kenneth Villegas, and I am proud to represent South Sudan Region.
Mas labing git na ito Binggit.
From the cradle of nature's gift and tradition.
My name is Mildred Makalay from Piaggio Mountain Province.
And our aristocrats from LGU Dubai. Viva Cordillera!
Region 1 Jawan.
Sika Santiago Puma.
Uy.
Presenting the home of President Ferdinand Marcos.
Ayan, daw na ito.
Higan City, San Juan City of La Union, and the whole province of Pangasinan and the 100 Islands from the Region 1, I'm Ben Freddy Cruz, representing the Region 1. Uno, para lahat, magaling, mademelo, at napapaganda sa norte ng Luzon. Thank you.
Reflects the artistry of the people.
Artistry and resiliency.
Inspired by Lang Duyan, a national living treasure. It is not traditional. It's not more than traditional. It is identity, strength, and a living legacy. Tonight, I stand as a testament to the beauty of heritage and the power of dreams. Mabuhay, South Sudan!
Speechless. Tuloy mo ba natin to?
Tutuloy.
Tutuloy. Talagang tayo, di ba? Local planners tayo. Kaya beyond building back better. What's your name?
Once again, good evening everyone. I'm Christian G.O.D. Perdosa, and I'm from Region 10, Northern Mindanao.
Can you please describe yung suot mo? And how can you relate that? May follow-up question. How can you relate that to your role as a local planner?
Thank you so much for your question. My modern Barong Tagalog is actually inspired, as what I said a while ago, that this symbolizes the unity of the Christian and Muslim community in our province. There's a lot of misconceptions about our province that we're living in conflict, but that is not true, because I am the living testament that our province is beautiful and bountiful. These textile also symbolizes the abundance of agriculture of Northern Mindanao. And as planners, we are rallying for sustainable development. We're in a development where the present generation will not be compromised by our actions today. So as local planners, we need to transform our plans into concrete actions. Once again, good evening, ladies and gentlemen.
Ooh, thank you for that. Let's move a little bit to this. He's been looking at me actually. He's been looking at me. Parang sabi niya, ang tagal ka na pumunta sa akin. It's your time. What's your name, sir?
Hello. But before I would like to reintroduce myself, I would just like to commend you for hosting this event. You make all day long, all day night, a very active participatory. I like the way you host it. Anyway, I am Sarah Dico. I am from the municipality of Haniway, the province of Iloilo, and that's in Western Visayas.
Describe.
Thank you for that. Can you please describe your suot? Although describe mo lang kanina. And then, how will you relate it to your role as a local planner?
Thank you so much for that question. Well, I already had a little introduction of how I dress. I dress to express, and this is the reason why I chose this one. And this is not just only dress, barong, but it has significance because 10% of this barong is made of a local fiber from my municipality, which is known as Manila hemp. But in our local language, this is called langot. It is a one-town, one product of the municipality where I come from. And not just only that, but women wear this, and this is making me so proud to wear right now because it's not just me representing my town, but I find it like I am representing the women in my municipality and also the LGBT members who put the details into it. So I think I am not just here representing the entire Region 6, but also the vulnerable sectors of our society. And as a local planner, we should always be a risk taker. We should not just be enclosed and be stayed all day in our comfort zone, but we have to go out, express, spread our wings, and show to the rest of the world our beautiful colors. Thank you, and good evening.
We have to go out and spread our wings. Thank you for that. We dress to express. Ma'am Milton, are you ready? Parang may kinakabahan na magtanong kay Ma'am. Ma'am Milton, hello. Good evening. Hello, good evening. Can you please introduce yourself again? Although I think we know you already. And then describe your Filipiniano.
Again, I'm Milton Verification, the City Planning and Development Coordinator of the City of Carmona. Once again, I'm telling you that the City of Carmona is the youngest city in the South. And the international city, the smart city in the future. My dress, actually, region because the most competitive region is Region 4A because of the province of Rizal and Cavite being the next into Metro Manila, Calabarzon region, Cavite, Laguna, Batangas, Rizal, and Quezon. I have here color gold because one of the richest region is Calabarzon. Rich in population.
So, daamin nita.
Population,
So, nagbalang na kita yung pili
rich
nita.
in resources and history. Strength, innovation, and history lies in Calabarzon. And I want you to see the ribbon on the back. That represents the interconnectedness of the 5 provinces of the region: Cavite, Laguna, Batangas, Rizal, and Quezon. That's why the strength of Calabarzon is there, and the resilience. You can find the resilience because of the unity of the whole Calabarzon area. Well, I'm wearing the rubber shoes. Why am I wearing the rubber shoes? Because we're always on the go. We are gender sensitive, not only for men, but also for women. We can use it anywhere. We can wear it anywhere. That's why we're on the go. Anywhere, strike anywhere.
The winner for the female category is no
Ano ba? Anong taga-Benguet ah?
Can you please tell us a bit about yourself and just tell us about the attire?
Paano di taga-Benguet? Taga-car?
Magandang hapon po tayo. Magandang gabi po sa ating lahat. So I am once again Clyde Alos Campas and I am from the NGO Tuba Planning Office. So I am wearing tonight 2 different textiles. First is this one. This is the textile of the Ibaloys. And fun fact, this kind of textile is only worn by the Adagyans or what we call the rich
People.
Okay, and then for my girl, this is the textile of the Caligas. Yan po.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am Mildred Docanay from Cordillera Administrative Region, Mountain Province. So, actually my dress is woven by one of our local artists in Baguio City. These garments and the signs at the back is what represents the unity of Cordillera. And that's all. Thank you.
Mahaba ko dahil. So, di ko na ako.
Of course, we commend also our women weavers who weave these textiles kasi kung wala sila, siyempre wala tayong makikita mga ganitong textile nowadays. So protecting and preserving it and showcasing it to the world is a must and a responsibility of us. And po.
So the relevance of this dress to our local artists is to support them. And woven is not just a product in our province, but also it is our richness of our culture. Thank you.
Sure and all.
Thank you for that.
Correct!
Okay, can you
Nangabak
move
kayo.
forward a bit towards the marks? And kindly give yourselves a bit of space. Because we will be asking you to turn around as slowly as you can and showcase how proud you are to the attire you're wearing. Sabay-sabay tayo. In 3, 2, 1. Turn right, towards the right. Iba-iba ang right. Another right. Yes. And another right. And face our amazing fellow local planners. right, we're gonna begin with, kindly move forward, Region 10. Forward and view them.
Car
Your
kanya.
final look, ladies and
Car.
gentlemen. Candidates, please move forward.
Di bali, boundary kami.
We are now finalizing the results of our MRT Filipiniana Fashion Show. Let us give them a big, big round of applause. We honor you for showing up and for taking pride in your attire. Not only in your attire, but in the regions you represent. We will be announcing the results shortly. This who will make it. And because of that, I think I will be asking our candidates mismo who they think will win tonight. Who do you think will win in this Filipiniana Fashion Show?
I really don't know who will win because everybody is deserving. Because standing just
disqualified ko yun, no?
That's why I win for each region. And I thank we deserve an applause from the crowd. And with the probability of winning this, I think it's...
Lahat kami winning. Not only 1, 2, 3, but lahat po kami.
Hindi naman pwede yun.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Tonight, once again,
Region 12. Please move forward.
Bakit kita sa silikon?
Thank you so much, Region 12. Let's have
Basta mo party modeling. Aduh, dahil asidin siya kami.
Di Region 1
Region 4A.
Dapat la penda, baka umipenda naman.
Thank you, Region 4A. We have Region 5. And next, we have Region 8.
Pasti na Region 8.
Kata Region 1 na? Region 1.
Straight ba yan o hindi? Sa tingin nyo? Straight?
Last but never the least, Region 1. We would like to call for the winner.
Second runner-up.
We would like to call our presenters to join us here on stage. Second runner-up.
Pinagsisina na.
Congratulations for the female category second runner-up. The winner is Region 4A. The second runner-up will receive 2,500 in cash and 1,000 pesos travel voucher Shop Surgeon. Congratulations. Let's give them a big round of applause. Overall, for the female category, please stay. Judges and I am Chavo, please stay in the middle. Our first runner-up for the female category is no other than Cordillera Administrative. The winner sa gabing ito, nakakakaba. Sino ang panalo?
12! Shop Sergeant!
Sino ang panalo para sa inyo? Para sa inyo? How about sa inyo? And the winner for the 35th Annual National Convention of the League of Local Planning and Development Coordinators, Incorporated, MR9 Filipiniana Fashion Show, for the male category, we have, palakpakan nyo ng sobrang lakas. We have male category, Region
Cordillera!
Cordillera!
Yes!
Stronger than before. Dreams rebuilt, hearts restored. Worlds we walk, walls we raise. Our stories told of hope and grace. We see the storms, we felt the fall, but we stand tall, we rise above it all. We are.
Congratulations to Cordillera Administrative Region.
12!